to do, what to do. I think we need purple. I think we need purple. And I think we need to play with this cup over here that I had. Where is it? This will work. Okay, so let's see. I can get my stool here. Oh my goodness, my aching bones and body. Let's see, we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. Yes, we do. Okay, so a little bit white. A little bit white. In there somewhere is white. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was huge. Yeah, definitely wash your bottles. Oh my. There's so much paint wasted in that. No, not wasted. We're going to get that back in here and we're going to smush out that thing until we can get the skin pretty much. Just skin. There we go. Wow. Oops. Wow. Okay. My goodness. See, that's why it wasn't flowing, huh, guys? Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna put a little bit more, and there's probably another big one coming. That right there. Ah. All right. Yeah. Okay. I'm done playing with you. That's for now. Let's see. Then I want to have some orange, I guess. We'll have some orange down in there. And some yellow. Yeah. And some, we're going to have to mix these two blues together to get some kind of significant blue, I think. Let's do that. Let's see what that does. Oh, I'm way off camera, huh? Sorry, guys. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. We'll just kind of swirl that together and then see what comes out of the cup. Yeah, all that other colors down there in the bottom, huh? And then some purple on top here. It's quite thicker. And then I think I'm just gonna, what am I gonna do? I think we're gonna pour on top of this, but what I'm gonna do is, just kind of swipe this a little bit to get the color or surface painted a little bit. And I'm okay with that because whatever shines through or comes through is whatever comes through, and it just will be whatever. I'm good with that. Get some more paint over there on that side. How about we use some of this white that came off from the goobers? It's right there. Might as well. Oops. La la la. Okay. And why not do a little bit of black in here too? Just a little bit. Down the side. Okay. It's a little bit of a party. That black is sinking. And I think it's time to just pour it. I'm just going to pour it. I'm going to do that, or should I do a flip? It's kind of a big cup. Do a flip. I'm gonna do a flip, and I'm gonna do it up here. That was so bad. I should have picked the canvas up and done it that way. And I gotta get my other guy up in here. There we go. Wow, I'm liking that. I'm gonna catch the stuff that's going on the sides. Okay, and really the only direction we can go is what? This way. And back this way. And back this way. Yeah, I'm gonna go back this way because I have an idea. I think, if it turns out right. Come on now. Let's see. I'm thinking, guys. I'm just thinking. I'm gonna get the torch a little bit more here. Okay. Oh, got some lacing up in there, looks like. Well, I'm thinking, I'm gonna run that off this corner, and I'm gonna run it back to this corner a little bit. This way, in that direction, and then back this way. We're gonna have some neat skins. And let's see. Oh. Oh, let's see. I got a straw over here, and let's play a little bit in the negative spaces. I love what that just did over there. Let's see. See if we can move some of this orange out of the way of this guy. Okay. Huh. God, you guys can't see anything because of that glare, huh? Oh, I'm messing up the lacing there. I gotta stop, because I could do that for like ever until I can do that till mud. There's still a little bit of a party in the bottom of this. I muddied this up here, I think. And oh, sorry guys. So yeah, that blends. Okay. Give our ocean a little go. Okay. Let's you know what? That is looking like, I think, a phoenix right here. Wings and... Okay, this is going to be one that I embellish, I believe. Or I may not need to. Let's see what that does. Because that looks like it's coming out of the burnt ashes like a phoenix does. All fresh and new and beautiful. I got a little bit of a face here. Oops. Crap. And a finger. God, guys, look at that. Do you see it like that? I think I do. I mean, I know I do. I hope you guys do. I could just be tired. No, that's it. I'm going to leave it, okay? I'm going to leave it. I'm going to say goodbye for now, and I'll come back and show you these, I guess, tomorrow at the end of the video. That way I can still edit. Thinking out loud. Okay.